I now go to our next speaker, Dr. P. Shekhar. Dr. Shekhar is a policy influencer, a businessman, entrepreneur. That was the past. Now he is dedicating a lot part of his life, in fact, the entire life, into nation building and to do a lot of activity towards it. So I welcome Dr. Shekhar to give a theme address on this subject to lay down the foundation of the discussion.
Thank you, Akram. Thank you, Dr. Samir. Today's system, today's day is supposed to be pre to World Environment Day, which is tomorrow. And we have 2 day session, World Sustainability Conference. Now, let us understand when we say all this thing, what do we really mean by environment, by sustenance, and our own human growth. This is the UN has chartered, eco restoration. Now, what do we mean by eco? First of all, what do we mean by restoration? There's few things I will do in the next 2-3 minutes, and then give it back to for growth. Now, nature has given the human being, or nature has given land and water. Then on this side, it has given what? It has given fire, it has given wind, and above all, to human beings, the brain. Just all things come around this. You'll find the variables are only these 5. Okay. Now this brain, it has given to human being for taking care, because it has given this type of a brain only to human beings. Yes, animals do have brain, but they have brain only to procreate and just live. But they do not have brain to innovate. They do not have brain to take care of the world. They do not have brains to, do something different. We are now talking of the whole universe. We are the only people who have understood how the universe is, how small we are, how big we are. Like Samir said, the small 1 gram virus has destroyed the whole our own human race economic growth, of course, because we are passing through the pandemic situation where something which is considered to be 1 gram worth has brought the whole humanity down. That means nature can do anything which it likes, but we have also to do justice. Now here there are certain preconceived notions, and there are certain way things are thought of. Whenever we talk of environment, environmentalists and all, people think they're all activists. They are there only anti-development. Development people think they are the only people who take care of the world. We don't need environment. We don't need anything. The truth is somewhere in between. Environment people also want development, and development people also want clean development. But both of them keep these 2 things away and keep fighting. And finally, development comes to only court cases. Many places, we will not know, almost 8 lakh crores of government money is stuck up just because of one case or the other. And most of them are depending on the environment. And see, another interesting thing, because we were intelligent, we invented plastics. Plastics is one of the biggest inventions of the human being. It is as light, as good, as versatile. You can make right from an aeroplane to you can make a milk pouch, and you can have a small water pouch, which is very. And we destroyed our own living conditions. I don't believe in that we are doing anything for nature. Of course, nature is too big for us, like the way the video was shown. So nature, we don't. We require nature. Nature doesn't require us. Okay. So, but we need things around us to be clean and good, and we spoil it. Okay, that means something which is done with a good intention, with a good. Because I am trying to extrapolate to something else. Please listen carefully. So we have to take care, and I was very happy to see the type of industries which has been created by some of the sponsors who are doing immensely good work. They all have to be multiplied. That means while planning itself, we have to see that we take care of the end results with time. When we talk of environment, today we have to talk about environment in the IT sector also. Same thing what has happened to plastic is going to happen to data. We got today trillions and trillions of data which is going to clog the whole world. It is going to create a bigger environmental problem than what even is created by plastics. So let us solve the plastics and other water problem now. Water, again, people say water will disappear. Water will never disappear from the world, because water is a recycled commodity. It has to be planned properly. Even if we become 10 times this human being, which is going to be one day, water is there. Because water can cycle. What is in the morning can come back evening. What is in the evening can come back next day. So that way it is. If it is not taken care properly, water will just disappear overnight. Okay, which means water has to be. That's why I started by saying about human intelligence. Human intelligence is supposed to take it like a Sherlock Holmes. It is supposed to extrapolate. It's supposed to extract so that it takes care of longevity of whatever we do. So whether it is the plastics, because somehow plastics and trees, these are supposed to be environmental items. Environmental means has to be environmental for growth, environmental for the human beings to go to a contributory level of their existence. They take care of the world, all parts of nature. They take care of animate, inanimate, everything. Same way, when it comes to the next layer of environment, we have to plan properly. We have to ensure that when I discover anything new, why I suddenly diagnose to data will, in another 10 years, people will be blaming us. Like today, we believe the person who discovered plastic did not do justice. We need zero plastic. It's also not correct. That's what some questions were asked. Plastic we require. Plastic we cannot be a zero plastic. But plastic has to be managed properly. That is what our intelligence has to do. There are people who are doing plastics to bricks, plastics to energy, plastic to so many things, which should be done right at the beginning. If somebody is manufacturing plastic, his cycle has to be such that it comes back next to some other development cycle. Same way, when I suddenly diagnose to data, same thing has to happen. We can't just simply put in trillions and trillions and trillions of data just because some chip is available to hold, and tomorrow they will blast in our own face. And like this, there are so many things which are there. Since I'm going to give a talk at 6 o'clock, I'm not this thing, because there I'll give a little longer one. So today, at the beginning inauguration, I will stop in under half minute. So today, eco-restoration means we have to triply ensure that we take care of the world. We are born as Homo sapien. Homo sapien means intelligent human beings. And we triply ensure that whatever we do, especially from environment point of view, environment has to be for development of human being, development of all aspects of human being, not only you and I's personal wealth. And finally, it has to end in a good happiness index for the people, not GDP index. GDP is one more criteria which should go below the happiness index of the human beings.